Welcome back everybody, this is my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and as you can see I'm already using One UI 8.5. So today it's all over the internet, people are going crazy because apparently some updated Samsung stock apps APKs from One UI 8.5 leaked. And it's the reminder, the clock, the Samsung internet, the calendar and the calculator. Now, yes, I'm using Samsung One UI 8.5, but apparently I'm on all the builds. So before I update those APKs with you, let's try to check how they look right now. So I'm going to start with the clock. And by the way, yes, I'm using the dark mode right now, so I will probably just go and remove it for now. And this is how is it. So alarm, and then this, old and boring, right? Not bad, but it's been there for quite some time. And the timer, so that's the old design for the clock. What about the internet? If we go here, we have these tabs and stuff like that. We probably can go to Google. Yes, again, this is kind of still the same old, probably boring design. This is the current reminder APK, and although I'm using One UI 8.5, you can see here the search bar is still the old one. What do I mean? Well, when you go inside the settings or in some other areas, we have this new search bar is also here. We do have also the calculator, again, the old calculator, I guess. And then, yeah, the calendar. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna close everything and I am going to update those APKs, run them with you. Let's see what is gonna happen, by the way. So, updating the reminder APK, update, all right. Hopefully success. Now let's update the clock. Nailed it. Now let's update Samsung Internet. Update again. This one is almost 300 megabytes, by the way. So you can check the file size here. And then I'm going to also update the calendar APK. All right. And then I'm going to also update the calculator. Let's try to update this as well. So now let me just try to close everything and we're gonna be starting with the first thing. So let's start with the internet. Protect your privacy. Okay. What the heck is this? All right, this looks like a new thing. So all my tabs right now. Okay, and I get this menu. So we have the list one, which is this one. This was there before, I think, as well. The view as, and then we have the stock one, which is nice. And okay, this is kind of it. This is the new homepage. All right, yeah, new internet, I guess. What about the clock? Oh, okay, the first thing we now notice is we have definitely this new UI element. It's here, so what about the... Oh, okay. By the way, I've also taken some screenshots, guys, because, yeah, this was my app before, like just some numbers, very boring. Now, this stopwatch looks like this. Yeah, this is not bad. Actually, this is very good. I can now see that this arrow runs on top of the numbers down below, which adds again some dimension, and it's very immersive, by the way. Oh, and we have this new circular buttons here. All right, reset, lap stop. Oh, what about... Oh, what? There was a slight animation, guys. I'm not sure if you were able to see this. We have the weather here, London, Sofia, and then apparently have some groove. Oh, this is cool. This is good animation. Yeah, one more time. Okay. And this is the alarms. Okay, let's try to just add some new alarm. Even when you add the alarms now, definitely using the One UI 8.5 new menu style. Honestly, this ain't that bad. What happens when I hold it like this? I can probably delete it. Let me just try to delete that one. So that's the word clock with this new fancy, nice new animation. This is the stopwatch. All right, stop, reset. The timer. What is happening right now? So this is the timer. Okay, cancel. I want to go back to the nice animation. It's here. So all right, now we have this option and this option for the stopwatch. Let me just try to reset it. What about the timer? So the timer apparently only gets this, but it looks cool and it's integrated here, which is good. And I guess it's also gonna be here. Yes, my now bar. Definitely new design and it's looking good. Now, what about the reminders? Oh, wow. All right. This is now my new reminder. Let me just try to open the screenshot before. So this was my old reminders APK, still with today's scheduled and stuff like this. The past reminders, the new ones, also with some suggestions and other reminders like this whole tab that is kind of like search tab was very big, not so good. The new one looks graphically more refined, I guess. And also they've added this purple color here, which kind of makes the element pop up a bit and it adds really dimension. So honestly, this is good. Hey, can you add a reminder for tomorrow to check the oil level of my car? Voice adding a reminder. Testing it here with you. Boom, it's there. Not that bad, by the way. All right, this is good. And then what about the calculator? All right, this is the calculator. Oh, it looks like the same old calculator or not. This was my old calculator. This is the new one. So it seems that I already got, like, the calculator was already updated in my One UI 8.5 version. And what about the calendar? So this is the calendar, definitely the new one. How do I know? Well, when I go inside my screenshots, yeah, you can see still like the old boring search tab. Now here we have this new one, again with some nice shadows down below. So let's just try to go for the month. It's like this. Okay, any nice new animations? I can add an event like this. All right, we have the new menu, this pill-shaped element, which is kind of cool. So probably one of the new exciting... Oh, the clock was moving, by the way. Yeah, the clock was moving. Okay, that's not a new thing, but it was cool. Probably this is the coolest thing when you go inside the clock and the stopwatch. You have finally something like that in settings. So let me know what you think down below in the comments, and stay safe. See you over and bye.